I'm sure if you've been on social media at all, you know the blowout air wrap look is so in right now. It's so pretty. It's just a way to make your hair look super full and voluminous. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it, and I'm also gonna show you how to do it for cheaper in the next tutorial, so stay tuned. But I wanted to let you know that the YouTube algorithm has changed a little bit. It's shifted, and if you wanna make sure you see our videos, be sure you're subscribed. But if you are subscribed, it does not guarantee that you see our videos. So be sure to hit that little bell so it'll notify you, and you will be way more likely to see it. And also, I would like to encourage you to just hit that thumbs up for us. We work so hard on these videos. We try to do them with all of our heart. We put everything into it. We read your comments on what you want to see more of, and it does really go a long way for us. So hit that like button, interact with us, throw a comment down there below, and tell us what you want to see next. And it would seriously mean so much to us. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how to do the Dyson Air Wrap tutorial. My hair is a little bit damp still. I've let it air dry about 80%, and then I'm just going to cocktail these together. This is the Olaplex Bond Smoother and the oil. So I have them cocktailed in my hands, and I'm just gonna put it all over the mid and ends of my hair. And just run it a little bit through my bangs to make sure they're nice and smooth and don't have any crazy frizz. We'll mix it all in there, and this will make my hair look so smooth and healthy and shiny. It's also a heat protectant, which is an added bonus. As I said, my hair is about 80% dry. I let it air dry up until this point just to protect my hair from any further heat damage. But I'm going to put the blow dryer little attachment on here and just hit it with the blow dryer a little bit more to get a little bit more dry, so that when I start doing the air wrap, it'll be super easy and take no time at all. Okay, I just hit my hair with a blow dryer a little bit more, and we still want it to be a little tiny bit damp, but not too damp to where it's gonna take forever for us to get it to dry and then curl. So I just have it just barely on the edge of damp before it's fully dry. And now I'm gonna go in with my wrap. One of my favorite things about this product is it really is all in one. It has, I think 5 different attachments, which is amazing. It's such a game changer. I feel like I can literally use this for every type of style that I want. So I'm going to show you how to use the curling brush to get a very like blowout loose type look. And then I'm also going to show you how to use the amazing Air Wrap tool, which will curl your hair and give you that super big luscious blowout. So I'm just brushing my hair again to make sure I don't have any tangles in it. I do have some layers, and then I also have some pretty intense face framing so I can create that really big blowout look. If you are looking to get that, I would highly recommend getting some really good face framing so that when you do a style like this, your layers really accentuate this style. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna show you how I use the round brush, and I'm just gonna do a couple pieces with this so that you know how to use it to get that looser blowout look. This is also amazing if you have shorter hair. I do tend to use the actual wrap, curler, whatever you call it, for longer hair because it's just easier. But if you have like a shoulder length style, this would for sure be my go-to because it's just so amazing. I have it on high heat and high speed, I think that's what you would call it, and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do this away from my face. I have a section that's about 2 inches, and we're just gonna use this attachment, and I'll show you exactly what I do. As you can see, it gives you that really loose wave. I did that by doing it with high heat, and then right at the very end, I pushed this button all the way to the top and held it, and it will blow out cool air. It's the easiest way to blow out cool air. It's super fast, and then it will set this into place. So I'm gonna try not to touch this and then show you a couple more pieces of doing this. I'm gonna show you how I would style my bangs using this attachment. So again, put it on high heat. I'm gonna take my longer section of my bangs and we're gonna hold it, and we're gonna hold it up, and then we're gonna blow it away from our face. So here we go. And then we're gonna do the same thing for my longer bangs. Just hold it up, get that root nice and warm with your frond brush, and then we'll kind of get that nice big oomph that comes with that beautiful blowout look. So as you can see, this attachment gives you a really nice loose blowout look, but it's not that curl that this one gives you. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. This is my personal favorite, especially for longer hair. So let's get started on it. Okay, so with the Air Wrap attachments, you have the larger curlers and then you have the smaller curlers. These are 1/2 inch and these are full inches. I personally like the full inch. If you have shorter hair, the 1/2 inch is probably phenomenal, but for me, it's just too small. They also have extended barrels that you can get. I'm kind of thinking I might get one because it looks so good. But these have worked great for me so far, and I've been using this for like 2 years, so I love them. They do have arrows on which way the air goes, so if I want to do it away from my face, make sure you're using the arrows accordingly, because if you blow them in the wrong direction, it's not gonna do you too great. So I'm just gonna attach this. I'm gonna do this side because my arrows are pointing this way, which means it's gonna blow away from my face. And I'm going to not do my bangs first. I always save them till last just because it's easier for me. So I'm gonna start with the piece behind my bangs, probably about 1 inch section, and then we're just gonna turn it on high heat, high speed, and start blowing. I like to kind of start in the midsection because with the Air Wrap, you'll see that it kind of grabs your hair and wraps it. And this just helps me be able to do it really easily. Once I start to feel it get warm, I will go ahead and turn it to cool. And I usually do that by just pushing all the way up. So I push all the way up. When you have it on, it kind of sits in the middle, but when you push it even further, it turns to cool air. Super easy, super handy, especially when you're trying to be blowing your hair all at one time. Makes it amazing. Okay, I've gotten everything around my face and in the back all curled, blown out. It's looking really curly and really good. Now for my bangs, I just have my shorter bangs. I'm gonna pull them up, and I'm gonna take my Air Wrap with the attachment that's gonna blow them back, and I'm just gonna turn it on high heat. We're gonna let it cool fully, and then we're gonna run our fingers through it and kind of mess it up a little bit. Okay, I have everything done. I'm just gonna kind of mess it up a little bit, fluff it out. And then I'll finish it off with a little bit of hairspray. I'm using the Kenra Perfect Medium Spray. It's the number 13. It's one of my favorites. I love it. It also kind of smells like strawberries, which it's just an added bonus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know what you want to see more of in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.